good morning to one and all. Dear participants, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you on behalf of Vanita Vishram Commerce College, Women's College of Commerce. Here we have our principal ma'am, Dr. Abhilasha Agrawal, and I would like to uh, ask ma'am to say something about the session.
Thank you, Boski ma'am. Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dr. Abhilasha Agrawal, Principal of Vanita Vishram Women's College of Commerce. I welcome you all on behalf of my college. I hope that you all are safe and you stay at home. The objective behind this session is to make you aware regarding the MBA entrance exams preparation and to guide you for your career in management. I hope that this session will be a fruitful one and you will enjoy this session. I'm equally thankful to IMS and its faculty members for supporting us in organizing this kind of webinar. I hope that our collaborations will continue and we can able to give you such kind of more seminars. Lastly, last but not the least, I hope you get the maximum benefit from today's seminar. And in last, please don't forget to fill the feedback form, which has been linked to you through mail as well as through WhatsApp. Now I request to Dr. Boski Suratwala to introduce the resource persons of today's session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I would like to introduce the speaker of the session, that is Dr. Devendra Sharma. I would like to share a few lines about him. He is MSc in Maths from MDS University, Ajmer. He is been training students since last 15 years. He has been himself writing CAT for getting into B schools of a country for last 12 years with consistently receiving 99 percentile throughout the sessions. So I would like to, request Mr. Devendra Sharma to start the session.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So a very good morning to all of you, all the attendees and the panelists. First of all, Abhilasha ma'am and Boski ma'am, I will thanks a lot and thanks Vanita Vishram management to give us this opportunity to have an interaction with the students in this lockdown period. So we believe at IMS, we believe that this is a great opportunity where we can have an interaction with the students at one go with this help of the technology. So, but then again, along with technology, we also need support from you people, the management side, who are also, if I say that is interested in conducting all these kinds of sessions. So thanks a lot, ma'am, for giving us this opportunity to have an interaction with the students. Thank you. So before starting, all attendees, I believe that my voice is audible to all of you. So you all can type in the chat. I will request don't put your question and answer in the Q&A section. Instead of putting it on Q&A, I would suggest put your answers in the chat section. So Ravi sir is also there with me. So if you have any queries, so he will be answering. So first of all, I'm audible to all attendees. You can type it in the chat box. Okay, yes. So many yes, it means I'm audible. So good to go. So, okay, guys, I got you. So such an enthusiasm just at the start of the session. So love to see that. Kids are always enthusiastic, even in this lockdown on a Sunday, and that too in the morning. If you all are participating in such a kind of event, so this is sheerly a proof that is how much interested you are in making up your career. So guys, before starting the session, before I start my screen, if I start sharing my screen with you all people, I'll give you, if I say that is 2 or 3 rules which we are going to follow. First thing that is, I will be giving you chance to ask questions because there are so many, if I say that is, queries in the mind of the students. So I will be giving you, I'll take a pause in between wherever we want, and there you can ask a question. So I'm saying this because before starting the session only, I got a query in the question and answer session. So that is the reason I'm saying that is, let me ask you, that is, if you have any query, and then then ask questions. And instead of writing it in the question and answer section, type it in the chat box, so that we'll be able to answer you. So first rule. Second rule, if I say that is, I want that is, this has to be an interactive session. So whenever I'll be asking you questions, so I would love that is you people interact with me. And the mode of interaction, it will be through the chat box. So I hope that is, these two rules are clear. So we'll proceed. So I'll be sharing my screen with you people. So I hope that is, we all know that is what is today's agenda. Just give me a minute. Okay. So as this was already informed to you all, that is, आज हम लोग क्या discuss करने वाले हैं? Today we are going to discuss that is MBA entrance examinations, because the problem in India is that is we have a huge number of examinations. So we don't have any one particular examination. Students, they have this thing in mind that is CAT is the only examination, but this is not the right thing. We have so many examinations available when we are talking about MBA entrance examinations in India. So the first thing and the most important thing which we are going to discuss, that is what all are the various entrance examinations and what is the right time to prepare for these entrance examinations. But before starting with this thing, I would take some, if I say that is, questions which I believe that is the students, they have a confusion in their mind. So what all are the confusions in the mind of the students when we are talking about MBA? So the first and the most important thing, whether this degree, what will I learn from this particular degree? So will MBA be able to make me capable enough to earn my living? So इसमें क्या मुझे सिखाया जाने वाला है कि मतलब मैं क्या learn करने वाला हूँ? इतने साल हो गए मुझे पढ़ते पढ़ते, I've done with my graduation. So अब 2 साल के MBA में मुझे क्या सिखाने वाले हैं जिससे मतलब I'll have a kick start to my career. So the first and the important confusion in the mind of the student is this. The second confusion, is it worth it? And when we are going through this economic slowdown, so is it worth it to go for MBA right now? So the second confusion which the students have in their mind. Okay. And the third and the most important confusion in the mind of the students, will I be accepted in a particular program? मैं eligible भी हूँ वो particular examination लिखने के लिए या नहीं? Because there are so many conceptions when we talk about MBA colleges in India. So there are certain colleges which have their eligibility criteria. So whether I am eligible for taking admission into that particular college or not. So this is the third confusion which students, they have in their mind. And after clearing all these confusions, the next confusion which comes in their mind is, when should I start? Because I believe that is, when we talk about MBA entrance examination, the first and the most important thing, or the examination which comes in the mind of the students, it's CAT. So CAT में कब मुझे प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए, whether it should be 1 year 2 year, और कितना मुझे प्रिपरेशन करना चाहिए कि once I've decided yes I want to go for MBA, so what will be the right time to start? The next thing, that is, अब मैंने decide कर लिया that is yes I want to start my journey, then how to begin my journey? This will be the next question in the mind of the students. Then again a major, if I say that is, issue, because in India we have around 3,500 plus MBA colleges. And these two colleges right now, the trend which is going on, earlier we had a limited number of specializations available, but right now we have so many specializations available. So which particular program should I be going for? So that will be the next confusion. And then as I said earlier, that is कि there are around 3,500 colleges. So मुझे program भी decide हो गया, तो अब ये program मुझे किस college से pursue करना चाहिए, which B school should I prefer? So these are I've taken a common, if I say that is, I've been taking these kinds of sessions for last so many years, and this is the crux. Majority of the students, they have this thing in their mind, that is इन्हीं में से कोई ना कोई doubt students के दिमाग में रहता है. So I try to cover up as many questions as I can, and after that we'll try to take further more questions if you have any other queries in your mind through the chat box. Okay, so the first thing that is when we talk about reasons of doing MBA, because until and unless you don't have that conviction in your mind that is why you want to pursue a particular degree, you will not get that push to pursue that degree. So I believe that is सबसे पहला चीज जो मेरे दिमाग में होना चाहिए कोई भी डिग्री परस्यू करने के लिए, the reason behind doing that thing. And if you have the right kind of reason for that particular thing, so you will also have that conviction. And once you'll have that conviction, I believe that is, it will give you a push. Okay, so the reasons, if I commonly known reasons. So one of the reason when we talk about why you want to do MBA, and mind it friends, that is MBA entrance examination, it's a two-stage process. And in the second stage, I'll discuss it about later, what all things are included in the second stage. But then again, I believe that is, you all must be having this idea that is one thing which is common. It is it's a personal interview which you have to clear in the second stage. And majority of the students, they have been asked this particular question, that is why you want to go for MBA. And when students, they come to us for taking guidance for MBA entrance examination, they have only one thing in mind. They have one thing in mind, that is कि MBA क्यों करना है, पैसा कमाना है इसलिए MBA करना है. So yes, for majority of the students, one of the reasons for pursuing MBA, it is money. For some other students, it can be a status. I want to have a status in the society, and for that I need to have a degree which can give me that status. So yes, the second reason, it can be the status. I want to have a big bungalow. Okay? I want to have that happiness or satisfaction. I want to have cars. I want to have peace in my life. And yes, last but not the least, for some people, that is, yes, it is a gateway to my marriage. I want to have a good spouse. Okay? So I hope that is Vanita Vishram, it's a women's college, but then again, okay, so spouse, it means that is for husband and wife both. So yes, but the crux is, whatever reason I'm talking about money, I'm talking about status, I'm talking about marriage, whatever the crux of all these things, the one thing which I believe that is everyone would agree, the reason of pursuing a higher degree, it will be to be successful. So everyone wants success. So that will be the most important reason. In सबका अगर हम लोग crux निकालें तो finally हमारे को मिलेगा, that is everyone wants to be successful in life, and that is the main reason why they want to pursue a higher degree. And यहाँ पर हम लोग बात करें, that is we are talking about MBA as a particular degree. So how MBA can help you? What all are the things which will happen once you have completed your MBA degree? So you need to have this thing. You need to have this clarity in your mind. So the reasons behind, yes, वो जो reasons अभी हम लोगों ने discuss करे, they will be the final outcome of a MBA degree. कि जब मैं MBA कर लूंगा, मुझे job मिल जाएगा. So job के साथ में मुझे money भी मिल जाएगा. Job के साथ में मुझे status भी मिल जाएगा. मेरे साथ में अगर हम लोग बात करें, with that money I can buy cars, I can have a bungalow of my own, and after reaching a particular, if I say that is maturity level, I can also go for marriage. But that will be the final outcome of that degree. But how is this MBA really going to help you? The basic reason for this, it will be that is, I can sum up all the reasons into 4 major reasons why people they pursue MBA. So the first and the most important reason, it can give a kickstart to your career. Kickstart to your career. By this, what I mean, suppose I'll give you an example. That is, I'm a graduate, and after doing my graduation, if I want to go for jobs, so what kind of job I can get? So in monetary sense, I believe that is at this particular level, getting a job of 15K, 20K, and that too target based. I'll give you an example. मेरे ख्याल से उस example से you will be able to relate. That is how this MBA it is going to give you a kickstart for your career. So we have IMS Center, our center, it is situated in front of SPB College, Atwa Lines, Pooja Abhishek. So beside that, we have a complex जहाँ पे काफी सारे banks हैं. We have ICICI Bank, we have Axis Bank. So one day I was reading newspaper and I find an article in that newspaper, that is advertisement in that newspaper related to recruitment. So that Axis Bank was recruiting marketing trainees for their bank. And what they were offering, first of all, I'll talk about the eligibility criteria they were looking for. The eligibility criteria, that is, you can be a fresher who is graduated in any stream. No restrictions on the stream from which you have graduated. So it can be BBA, it can be BCom, it can be arts, it can be science, anything. So the basic eligibility criteria for that recruitment, it was that is you need to be a graduate. And what were they offering? They were offering that is you'll get 12,000 per month along with incentives. And minded friends, the experience that I have, I'm not saying that is I've worked as a marketing trainee, but then again, I had a circle, and in my circle, I had friends. I'm talking about my days when I just completed my graduation. At that particular time period, I also have some of my friends who worked as a marketing trainees or marketing executives in banks. So they give you a, if I say that is very tough target. So your incentives, they are based on if you are going to complete your targets or if you'll reach to your target or not. So 12K was a amount which was given in hand to you, and along with that incentives. So even if I take that as if you fulfill all your targets, then also the maximum amount that you would have earned working as a trainee, it was around 15,000, 16,000, or let us take it as 18,000. So it makes around, if I say that is, even if I take 20,000 a month, so in a year's time you'll be getting around 2,40,000. So your income, it will fall in the range of 2 lakh to 2,40,000. But same thing, I'll talk about one of my student. He completed his graduation from one of the reputed colleges. Okay. So right now I will not be taking the name of that students, but yes, I can talk about the college. It was FMS Delhi. So he completed his graduation from that master's from that particular college, and after that he was also recruited in the placement from that same banks. Axis Bank ne usko recruit kiya, and when he joined that bank, he was giving options. So in the first 3 months, he has to work in a particular department. Next 3 months in another department. Then. So agar hum log baat kare, that is, for every 3 months he has to change his department. Why? Because after 1 year he was going to be asked that is in which particular department you want to continue. So MBA करने का पहला फायदा क्या हुआ मुझे, उस बंदे को, उसको चूज करना था, उसको एक ऑप्शन दिया गया कि उसको 3 महीने, क्योंकि बाहर से जब हम लोग देखते हैं, सो एवरीथिंग इट लुक्स मतलब गुड, बहुत अच्छा मतलब लगता है, बट actually अगर हम लोग बात करें, that is you'll get to know the reality when you'll enter and when you'll work in that particular position, तब जाके वो reality मिलेगा. So he was given an opportunity to work for 3 months in different department. And minded friends, that is, I'm not talking about this particular college. There are so many students who after getting placement, they are coming to us and they are giving us feedbacks, and they have shared the same thing, that is, yes, this is the thing which is happening. Even in the, if I say that is internships also. So even if you go for an internship of 2 months, they will give you the option of working for 15 days in different, if I say that is department. So पहला उसको फायदा क्या मिला student को, that is he was given the opportunity to work in different departments, and then according to his performance in different departments and according to his interest, he was asked to choose one of the departments first. Second one, ये जो मार्केटिंग एग्जीक्यूटिव जिसने डायरेक्टली बीबीए के बाद में, बीकॉम के बाद में, अपने ग्रेजुएशन के बाद में इंस्टीट्यूट को ज्वाइन किया था, उसको he has to work for all, if I say that is 6 or 7 days a week to achieve his target. जबकि इसके पास में जो MBA करने के बाद में इस बंदे की बात करें, so he was having a 5 days week, so Saturday and Sunday it was off. And salary if I talk about, it was around approximately, अगर हम लोग बात करें, it was more than 22 lakhs. It was the CTC of that student, and 22 lakhs का मतलब है ये बंदा पूरे साल भर का 2 से 2.5 लाख रुपए कमा रहा है, और ये बंदा शायद एक अगर हम लोग बात करें, दैट इज महीने में वो अमाउंट कमा लेगा. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, ये पूरा स्टोरी मैंने आपको इसलिए सुनाया, ये कंपैरिजन मैंने आप लोगों को इसलिए दिया, सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट, दैट इज हाउ कैन MBA can give you a kickstart. And kickstart ही नहीं, it will also accelerate you for your career growth. So accelerate you for your career growth का मतलब है that is if I am stuck at a mid level, so मैं experience के basis पे I have reached to a particular level, but now I want to reach to the next level. So how can I reach that next level? So there are eligibility criteria which I have to satisfy. So for that again, I believe that is this MBA can help you. All those who are if I say that is who are already working somewhere. So for those students, for those working professionals, if they want to change their, कि जब मेरे पास में suppose I'll take one example, I'm an engineer and I did my engineering. If I say that is, I'm just taking my example. I'm not an engineer. I'm a MSc in mathematics, as Boski ma'am told you earlier. So I'm not an engineer. So I'm just taking an example. So I've done my engineering, and in my engineering, the branch which I had, it was mechanical, and on the basis of that, I got placed in a company. And it was a core company. Core company का मतलब है mechanical branch से related company थी. But after working there for 1 or 2 years, I got to know that is I'm not really interested in doing this kind of job. So now I want to change my stream. But मेरे पास में वो skills नहीं है. I don't have those skills where I can change my stream because मैंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन करा मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में. सो मुझे वही स्किल सेट आता है, और उसके बाद में मेरा जो 2 ईयर का वर्क एक्सपीरियंस था वो भी अगर मैं बात करूं that was in the same field. So why will other, if I say that is areas will give me that opportunity to become if I say that is eligible for those different fields, MBA can be a, if I say that is good reason, good degree which can make me, if I say that is, which will give me that potential where I can join other fields also. So yes, for some people it will be change in your career direction. And yes, I believe that is for majority of you, we are in Surat, which is the one of the business hub of the country. So many of the people, they have this thing in their mind that is they want to set up their own business. So that can again be, if I say that is reason. Your mind that is कि अभी students क्या सोचता है, our parents, they are already running their business, so why not join that business only? So why do I want to, why I am required to do MBA? So I believe that is कि जब भी ऐसा student अगर मुझसे पूछता है तो मैं हमेशा उसको बोलता हूँ कि मतलब you can join your family business only when you are giving a approximately 50% push to your that business. क्योंकि already existing business है which is stable, your parents are taking care of that business. So अगर आपके जाने से उसमें बहुत major growth नहीं होता, major growth का मतलब I'm talking about around 50%. अगर 10% 20% का भी jump होता है, ठीक है, तो भी कोई ज्यादा फायदा नहीं है. उससे बजाय बेटर है दैट इज learn all these skills, ठीक है, from the experts, ठीक है. Then you'll be studying MBA. So MBA में आपको ये सारा चीजें, so they'll be teaching you theoretical and practical, दोनों चीजें आप लोगों को सिखाएंगे. So you will have that exposure. दूसरा आपको फायदा मिलेगा, that is you'll have that alumni network. आपका networking बढ़ेगा, peer group रहेगा, because everybody will be involved in some or the other, if I say that is business. So your networking will go strong. Alumni की अगर हम लोग बात करें, so you'll have a good alumni base. So काफी सारे फायदे होने वाले हैं, which is definitely, क्योंकि business में एक चीज चाहिए, networking चाहिए. सिर्फ पैसा ही नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं चाहिए, उसके अलावा नेटवर्किंग भी चाहिए to start your own business. So all these things, they are an advantage of MBA. So if you want to set up your own business, so then again, I believe that can also be a reason. So these are the, if I say that is some of the reasons which I believe that is one should go for doing MBA. But now the problem is how to choose, because जैसा I said earlier, when we talk about MBA, so MBA में सबसे पहली चीज तो in India we have around 3,500 plus colleges. So सबसे पहला problem ये आता है colleges का, ठीक है. Second problem ये आता है that is there are so many specializations, बहुत सारे specializations available हैं. So हम लोगों के समय में there were only, if I say that is MBA, it started from marketing and finance. So these were the two specializations available. But right now, if I say that is we have a sports management, there are so many specializations available. So how to choose a college, how to choose a specialization. So I will suggest that is instead of going from college to specialization, we should go from specialization to college. So pehla, again, now I would ask you that is which is the best college for MBA in the country? Guys, I'm asking you, you can answer this question in the chat box. आप लोग chat box में इस question का answer दे सकते हैं. So which is the best college for MBA in India? So Sakshi said, and Ayush said, I'm Ahmedabad. then Shivani, I'm Ahmedabad, then FMS, Symbiosis, ISB Hyderabad also, IAMS. So yes, majority of you are giving the answers as IIM Ahmedabad. Why IIM Ahmedabad is the best? Because we are in Gujarat and this is the closest institute to us. Is this the reason? Here, whenever we start any particular batch at our center, we started with the orientation lecture. Or whenever I start this kind of session, so whenever I start talking about MBA colleges, I start with this particular questions. And friends, maximum times, I would simply say that is 99% cases में मुझे एक ही आंसर मिला, I am Ahmedabad. ठीक है, और उसके पीछे when I ask the student that is why I am Ahmedabad is the best institute in the country, काफी सारे reasons मिले. ठीक है, एक रीजन ये गुजरात में मेरे घर के पास में है. ठीक है, दूसरा रीजन मतलब वहां पे काफी सारे, अगर हम लोग बात करें गुजरात में, तो गुजरात के स्टूडेंट्स होंगे. सो बोथ आर मिसकंसेप्शंस. ठीक है, so there is no, if I say that is seats reserved for, if I say that is Gujarati students in IIM Ahmedabad. You have to clear the selection process, which is open to all. Open to all का मतलब है for all the, if I say that is the students who are applying through CAT. So simply if I say that is they go for it. Ayushi, because it has the maximum average salary packages and also exposure to the big companies. Okay, Ayushi, I'll come to this again. Okay, so yes, maximum students क्या सोचते हैं, that is उसका maximum average salary है. So this is again, if I say that is misconception कि Ahmedabad का best अगर हम लोग बात करें, that is salary है. There are other institutes also which are close to it. FMS का, ठीक है, बैंगलोर का, कैलकाटा का अगर हम लोग जाके देखेंगे, so it will be far, if I say that is, it will be very close to it. आप ISB हैदराबाद की बात करेंगे तो I believe that is कि उसका तो और भी better हो जाएगा. ठीक है, एग्जीक्यूटिव MBA की हम लोग बात करेंगे तो it will also be, if I say that is, better. So no, ठीक है, I will not talk about, if I say that is, this average salary packages. So Ayush, there can be, if I say that is, other reasons. So और अगर पैसे की बात करें तो इंडिया में I believe that is कि एक्टिंग में और क्रिकेट में ह्यूज करियर है. So जब मुझे पैसा ही कमाना, so why should I not be aspiring for cricket or simply, if I say that is, acting. So how to choose a career? So according to me, I'll be giving you, if I say that is, Venn diagram. Okay, so the first and the most important thing which you should keep in your mind while choosing your, if I say that is, career, it is the interest. So until and unless I'm not interested in a particular field, I will not be going for that particular field. And what do I mean by interest? या simply अगर हम लोग बात करें कि जब हम लोग, आपने बोला that is, majority of you said that is IIMs are the best institute. So I said that is MBA, it's a 2 years program where the first year it will be general. It will be general का मतलब है that is you'll be taught about each and everything. Whatever specialization you want to go, the first year they are going to teach you about everything. So I'm interested in marketing, but then again in the first year they'll teach you about finance, they'll teach you about operations, HR, everything they are going to teach. And the reason for that, it is because when you'll join an organization and with the years of experience, when you'll reach higher in that organization, so after reaching that particular level, you have to take care of each and every department. You cannot say that is, I'm an expert in marketing, so I will be taking care only of the marketing department. There you will be required to take care of each and every department. So if you say that is, I'm an expert in marketing, I will only take care of the marketing department. So there you are restricting your own growth. So yes, at the particular level, you have to handle all the department. And that is the reason in the first year of MBA, they will teach you about each and everything. And in the second year, it comes your specialization. Second year mein, you will have the specialization. And specialization ki agar hum log baat kare, so when I'll talk about colleges in the country, which is the best MBA college in the country, colleges, they are always ranked according to the specialization that I'm looking for. And that is the reason why I said that is college choose करने से पहले अगर आप लोग अपना specialization choose करोगे तो आपके लिए college का selection, it will become easy. So if I talk about HR as a specialization, no, IIM Ahmedabad is not the best college. The number one college in the country, it's XLRI, Jamshedpur. This will be the number one college. The second best college, it will be TISS, Tata Institute of Social Science, Mumbai. Then we'll have, if I say that is, I'm Indore, I'm Ranchi. Okay. Then we'll have, if I say that is, MDI, SMHRD. So these are one of the best colleges of HR in the country. So where is IIM Ahmedabad? Okay. If I talk about operations as a specialization, the number one college in the country, it will be NITI Mumbai. operations minded friend, that is, this is open only for students who are from the engineering background. उन्हीं के लिए ये specialization available है. So operations का number 1 college मैंने बताया NITI Mumbai. Second college की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, it will be IIT Bombay. Then we have SP Jain. Then we have IIM Lucknow. So where is IIM Ahmedabad? So IIM Ahmedabad is not in the top 5 institute. So whenever we'll rank a college on the basis of the specialization. So if you'll have that clarity in your mind, that is, yes, this particular specialization that you are looking for, so you will have, ठीक है, कि हाँ मुझे इन colleges में से ही कोई college choose करना पड़ेगा. So that will be the best way. So first thing, to choose a college, choose your specialization. And if you cannot fix a particular specialization, I would suggest that is कम से कम दो specializations तक restrict yourself. ठीक है. Guys, I'll be coming on to the question and answer. So some people, they are asking questions, they are raising their hands. Again, I'll stop in between and I will be taking all your questions. So let me finish first. What you can do, that is, you can note down your questions. And at the last, I'll take all your questions. So first, let me complete. So I was saying that is the first thing which you need to do is to fix your specialization. सबसे पहला चीज अपना specialization. And how to fix a specialization? The first and the most important thing, that is, you must be interested. So interested. So I'm जैसे for every particular specialization there is a different kind of skill set which is required. So I'm not interested in talking with people. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट क्रिएटिव, मैं क्रिएटिव भी नहीं हूँ, मैं लोगों के साथ में बातचीत करना भी अगर मैं बात करता हूँ दैट इज मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. सो शुड आई गो फॉर मार्केटिंग एज अ स्पेशलाइजेशन? क्योंकि मार्केटिंग में अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, यू हैव टू बी क्रिएटिव. अगर क्रिएटिव नहीं हो तो कम से कम मतलब लोगों के साथ में बात करना, उनको परसुएट करना आना चाहिए. एंड आई डोंट लाइक दीज टू थिंग्स, सो आई विल नॉट बी गोइंग फॉर मार्केटिंग एज अ स्पेशलाइजेशन. आई कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड पीपल, मैं लोगों का साइकोलॉजी नहीं समझ पाता. तो शुड आई बी गोइंग फॉर एचआर एज अ स्पेशलाइजेशन? नो. मैं छोटे छोटे से एग्जांपल्स दे रहा हूँ. सिर्फ एक ये क्वालिटी नहीं होने की वजह से आप किसी स्पेशलाइजेशन को एलिमिनेट नहीं कर सकते. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एग्जांपल्स, क्योंकि मैं पूरा एलैबोरेट करने जाऊंगा तो एक एक स्पेशलाइजेशन को हम लोग बहुत डिटेल में वी कैन हैव अ डिस्कशन. सो मैं छोटे छोटे से एग्जांपल्स ले रहा हूँ. ठीक है. सो आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन कैलकुलेशन, मेरा दिमाग नहीं चलता कैलकुलेशन में. सो शुड आई बी गोइंग फॉर फाइनेंस? नो. सो फर्स्ट एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, दैट इज आई नीड टू हैव द इंटरेस्ट, आई नीड टू हैव दैट स्किल सेट. ठीक है. एंड द थर्ड थिंग, आई शुड आल्सो हैव द स्कोप इन दैट फील्ड. बाय स्कोप व्हाट डू आई मीन? कि आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन कंप्यूटर्स, बहुत दिमाग चलता है. ठीक है. इंटरेस्ट है और एक्सपर्टीज भी है. आई एम एक्सपर्ट इन, इफ आई से दैट इज विंडोज 7, मैं विंडोज 7 का एक्सपर्ट हूं. सो इंटरेस्ट भी है, एप्टीट्यूड भी है. बट कैन आई, इफ आई से दैट इज हैव अ स्कोप, क्या मैं अर्न कर सकता हूं? बिकॉज अभी मैक्सिमम अगर हम लोग बात करें, दैट इज सिस्टम्स, दे आर वर्किंग ऑन विंडोज 10. and yes, there are some systems who are working in Windows 7, but in the years to come, in 1 or 2 or 3 years, it will get eliminated. ठीक है, वो पूरा ही गायब हो जाएगा. So will it make any sense to have that expertise? Interest भी है, aptitude भी है, that is a skill set भी है, but then again I cannot earn my living, so it does not make any sense. So कोई sense नहीं बनता यहाँ पर. So अगर अब मैं बात करता हूँ यहाँ पर, ठीक है, so अब अगर हम लोग बात करें, दैट इज कि कुछ कुछ एरियाज की बात करें. सो इफ यू हैव इंटरेस्ट एंड यू आल्सो हैव स्कोप, बट यू डोंट हैव द स्किल सेट एप्टीट्यूड नहीं है, सो देन अगेन इफ आई से दैट इज व्हाट विल हैपन, योर परफॉर्मेंस इट विल बी लो. फॉर एग्जांपल, कि अगर हम लोग बात करें, आई ऑलवेज टेक दिस एग्जांपल. सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट हिमेश रेशमिया, ही इज अ वेरी गुड, इफ आई से दैट इज म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, and he is also interested in, if I say that is acting में उसका interest भी था, और acting में we all know that is scope भी है. But was he, if I say that is successful? No, he was not successful because उसमें वो skill set नहीं है, उसमें वो skill set ही नहीं है. Secondly, अगर हम लोग बात करें, that is low growth. If you are interested and if you also have the aptitude, ठीक है, but उसमें scope नहीं है. जैसे अभी Windows 2007 का हम लोगों ने बात किया, ठीक है, scope है, aptitude है, but you are not interested. So मेरे फादर ने मुझे फोर्स किया टू जॉइन हिज बिजनेस. आई वाज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, काम तो करना पड़ा, बट वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं आया, और इंटरेस्ट नहीं आया, सो आई वाज नॉट हैप्पी. सो दिस इज, सो द थिंग व्हिच फॉल्स इन ऑल दीस थ्री कैटेगरीज विल मेक you, if I start, as successful in your career. So whenever you choose a particular college, first thing I would suggest that is choose a specialization, and on the basis of that, ठीक है, then choose a particular college. So yes, so MBA में मेजर 4 स्पेशलाइजेशंस है: मार्केटिंग, ऑपरेशंस, फाइनेंस, एचआर. दीज आर द रोल्स. ठीक है, दीज आर द रोल्स. सो marketing mein, it is not only restricted to if I say that is sales only. You can be a brand manager, product manager, sales manager, operations mein, logistics. So all these things are available. So guys, I'll be moving ahead. So how to enter into a B school? So अगर किसी भी B school में अगर मुझे entry चाहिए, so B school में entry के लिए we have to clear certain stages. Certain stages में अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, the first stage that we have to cross, it's a written, if I say that is, it's a examination. First of all, we have to clear a aptitude examination. So after clearing that aptitude examination, then we have to go for the second stage. So aptitude examination की अगर हम लोग बात करें, जब भी हम लोग MBA colleges की बात करते हैं और aptitude की बात करते हैं, student के दिमाग में सीधा सीधा आता है CAT. But mind it friends, CAT is not the only examination. Yes, अगर मुझे AIIMS में admission चाहिए तो मुझे CAT लिखना पड़ेगा. There are other institutes also, जैसे FMS एक student ने मुझे लिख के भेजा था, ठीक है, FMS is there, ठीक है, MDI is there, NITI is there, IIT Bombay is there. So इन सारे institutes में अगर मुझे admission चाहिए तो उसके लिए भी मुझे CAT ही लिखना पड़ेगा. But there are other institutes जिनमें अगर मुझे admission चाहिए तो उसके लिए मुझे अलग अलग एग्जामिनेशंस लिखने पड़ेंगे. सो कैट की हम लोगों ने बात करी. सो वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट इफ आई से दैट इज कैट. कैट के अलावा सिम्बायोसिस, एक स्टूडेंट ने मुझे सिम्बायोसिस भी लिख के भेजा था बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट से जब मैंने बात करी. सो सिम्बायोसिस में अगर मुझे एडमिशन चाहिए तो उसके लिए मुझे क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? आई नीड टू राइट स्नैप. नार्सी मोनजी, मुंबई, बैंगलोर, इनमें अगर मुझे एडमिशन चाहिए तो फॉर दैट आई नीड टू राइट एनमैट. इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फॉरेन ट्रेड, इंडिया का बेस्ट कॉलेज फॉर इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस, आई नीड टू टेक IFT. ठीक है. जैट, जैसे मैंने बोला HR का बेस्ट कॉलेज है, XLRI. सो वहां पर अगर मुझे एडमिशन चाहिए तो उसके लिए मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा ZAT. सो CAT is not the only examination. There are other examinations also. Best part in all these examinations, when we talk about the areas where we are tested upon, the areas they are same. So we have verbal ability, we have RCs. So रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, सो वहां पर you'll get a passage and on that passage you'll have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 depending upon the paper. You'll have to answer those questions on after reading that passage. Then we have data interpretation and logical reasoning. So what is data interpretation? Data interpretation, you will be given a data, you have to interpret data, and after interpreting that data you have to answer certain questions. Then we have a logical reasoning section. Logical reasoning section, you will have simply, if I say that is blood relations, directions based questions, data arrangement based questions. So all these they are included in logical reasoning. Then we have quantitative ability, match जिसे हम लोग बोलेंगे, majority of the portion from your 9th and 10th, and in, some of the portion from your 11th and 12th match. And some examinations they also have GK. So AFT it also have GK. CMAT it also have GK. So these are the 5 areas. So we have verbal ability, which also includes RC. We have data interpretation, logical reasoning, quant, and GK. So these are the 5 areas. So किसी भी examination की बात करोगे, यही 5 areas पे वो आप लोगों को test करेंगे. And the best part, that is 5 areas ही पढ़ना है, बस difficulty level and the pattern of the paper it is going to change. So जैसे CAT में अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, so CAT, it's a first thing that is I'm taking when you'll write these examinations. So write का मतलब है these papers they are not written. All these papers they are online. अब सारे के सारे papers online ही है, online ही है. So CAT की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, CAT में you have got 180 minutes, 3 hours है और 100 questions है. And these 100 questions they are distributed into 3 sections. The first section is verbal ability. First section आपके पास में अगर हम लोग बात करें, that is it is the section of verbal ability. The second section it's data interpretation and logical reasoning, and the third section it's quantitative ability. In the verbal ability section, you will get 34 questions, and these 34 questions may say 24 questions they are of RCs and 10 questions they are of verbal ability. Verbal ability में 3 तरह के questions मिलते हैं. एक मिलता है odd one out. Odd one out का मतलब है 5 sentences आपको given है which are related to a particular context. So एक particular topic के बारे में they are talking about, and out of these 5 statements, one of the statement will be out of context. Out of context का मतलब है जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ उससे related नहीं है. ठीक है. So you have to find out that is which particular, if I say that is which particular, if I say that is area is out of context. Guys, again I'll take your questions at the end. Okay, so I'll take all your questions. So whatever, if I say that is quant phobia, I also know that is quant phobia, कौन से examinations कब लिखने चाहिए, I'll take care of all these things. Okay, So first I was talking about you'll have odd one out. Second variety of question that you can have, it is parajumbles. 4 या 5 jumbled up paragraph statements रहेंगे. You have to arrange them in a meaningful sequence ताकि एक paragraph बने. ठीक है. And the third variety of question, it is summarize a passage. So एक passage given है, उसको summary करना है. So which of the given options will summarize that passage? So all these questions, they are included in verbal ability. Then we have DILR, 32 questions divided into two, if I say, that is variety of questions, data interpretation and logical reasoning. ठीक है. 16 questions of data interpretation, 4 set होते हैं, चारों में 4 questions, and logical reasoning में 16 questions, again in 4 sets. ठीक है. Then we have the quant में we have 34 questions, and for all the sections you will be giving 60 minutes. Sequence भी ये रहता है, पहला BA-RC आएगा, उसके बाद में you'll have data interpretation and logical reasoning, and उसके बाद में quantitative ability. जब तक ये 60 minutes complete नहीं हो जाते, you cannot move to the next section. ठीक है. And दो तरह के questions मिलते हैं, एक होता है MCQs जिसमें you'll get 4 options, and दूसरे मिलते हैं TITA based question, type in the answer. उनमें अगर हम लोग बात करें, you get options, आपको type करना पड़ेगा, but वहां पर फायदा ये हो जाएगा, that is कि for every question, correct question you'll get 3 marks. अगर correct होता है तो 3 marks मिलेगा, और अगर गलत होता है तो you'll get a negative marking of -1. But TITA वाले questions में there is no negative marking. So कोई उसमें negative marking नहीं होगा. So this is CAT. अब यहीं पर अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, that is if I talk about STAMP, या फिर NMAT की बात करते हैं. नारसी मुंशी में अगर मुझे एडमिशन चाहिए, तो नारसी मुंशी में पहला सेक्शन अगर हम लोग बात करें, that is will have verbal. ठीक है. वर्बल आ जाएगा. अब उसमें अगर हम लोग बात करें आरसी का, अगर हम लोग बात करें, डोमिनेंस नहीं रहेगा. विल हैव क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम अदर एरियाज, वोकैबुलरी के भी क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. ठीक है. काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. तो उस सेक्शन में यू विल हैव 22 क्वेश्चंस. सो व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नारसी मुंशी, सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एनमेट एज अ एग्जामिनेशन. सो एनमेट एज अ एग्जामिनेशन की अगर मैं बात करता हूं, सो एनमेट में मेरे पास में क्या होगा, द फर्स्ट सेक्शन इट विल बी ऑफ verbal ability, and verbal ability में I'll have 22 minutes, and in these 22 minutes I need to answer 32 questions. मुझे 32 questions के answers देने. So I'll have 22 minutes to answer these 32 questions. The second question, it will be section, it will be QA plus DI, quantitative ability plus DI, and for in this section I'll have how many questions? I'll have 48 questions to be attempted in 60 minutes. 60 minutes में मुझे 48 questions attempt करने. Then we have the third section, which is logical reasoning, and logical reasoning में how many questions we'll have? Logical reasoning में we'll have 38 questions to be attempted in 40 minutes. 32. 48 minutes, 32 questions. तो अब यहाँ पर मेरे पास में ऑप्शन ये भी रहता है, दैट इज कि पहला चीज तो क्वेश्चन का लेवल थोड़ा सा अगर हम लोग बात करें, दैट इज डिक्रीज हो गया. द लेवल ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इट हैज डिक्रीज. सेकेंडली, आई कैन चूज माई ऑर्डर. मुझे कौन सा सेक्शन पहले लिखना है, फिर दूसरा कौन सा लिखना है, फिर तीसरा क्वेश्चन कौन सा लिखना है. एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द पेपर आई कैन चूज. कैट में फिक्स था कि पहले BA-RC आएगा, उसी के बाद में DI आएगा, और उसी के बाद में क्वांट आएगा. सो सारे के सारे एग्जामिनेशन में यही 5 सेक्शंस आने वाले हैं. बस पेपर का लेवल चेंज हो जाएगा, and the way the questions they will be asked, it will only change. So if you are preparing for any particular examination, you are prepared for anything. So I hope that is this thing, it is clear to all. Okay. So these are the examinations. Guys, you will be getting all these. If you need any, if I say that is, so I will ask Naveen sir, so to share this, if I say that is, details with you. So अभी इसके बारे में वरी करने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि बहुत सारा डेटा है, बहुत सारा डेटा है. So this is the, if I say that is, examinations that we have. So अब यहाँ पर I said that is पहला चीज selection के parameters. You have to write a entrance examination. Entrance examination के बाद में if you will clear that, on the basis of your acads and profiles and your work experience and your extracurricular activities, they will select you for the second stage, which is VAT, GD and PI. So PI, it's an essential part of all the examinations. सारे के सारे examinations की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, personal interview it's a part. ठीक है. Some of the examinations, कुछ institutes में in the second stage they have VAT. So what is VAT? It's a writing ability test. Writing ability test का मतलब है कि पहले we used to get, if I say that is essay writing, जहाँ पे we used to get a topic and we need to write a, if I say that is essay on that topic. So उसी का shorter version. So you will get a topic and you have to summarize that topic. ऐसे में क्या होता था, we had around 700-800 words का limit, but in VAT we have a limit of around 200, 250, 300 depending on the institutes. Some of the institutes they have GDs, some of the institutes they have group exercise, some of the institutes they have group tasks. So different institutes they have different, if I say that is processes which are being followed in the second stage. So you have to clear an entrance test. On the basis of your profile academics, they'll give you a call for PI and GD, VAT, depending upon the institutes. And once you clear all these things, then you'll have your final selection in the B school. So this is the process which you have to follow. So, okay. So, how to prepare? I'll be coming on to the timeline. Ma'am, we have time period. We can stretch this. Okay. So if I'll give you the timeline, so I'm talking about CAT 20. So those students who are targeting for CAT 20. So I believe that is, if you will start preparing from this particular time period for CAT, so from this particular time period till July, you should go for concept learning. Because minded friend, that is in CAT, we cannot say that is, we don't get questions which are directly formula based. You'll apply this formula and you will be able to answer that question. So I personally believe that is, if you are conceptually strong, I'm specifically talking about mathematics. So if you are conceptually strong, so it will become very easy for you to solve the any variety of questions. So the first thing which I believe that is, it is most important, it is learning concept. So from mid of April to May, June and July, I believe that is 3.5 months. They are more than enough to learn concepts. Then from July to September, because now I have learned, and after learning it comes application, how to apply this. And application will only be, if I say that is coming into effect, if you are practicing. So from July to September, I suggest students to start practice and apply these concepts which you have learned. And finally, after that, you need to start testing. So whatever you have learned, if until and unless Indian cricket team, when it went to, if I say that is outside India for playing, if I say that is test series or one day series, so they have warm-up matches. So what are those warm-up matches? They are testing, they are writing mocks. So test how you are going to test yourself by writing mocks. And after that, you can write your, if I say that is actual CAT. So this is the timeline. So from now to July, I believe that is, it should be focused on learning concepts, then practicing concepts by applying these concepts till September, and after that writing mocks. And after writing every particular mock, analyze it, try to find out your mistakes, strength, and try to improvise it. So definitely you will be getting a, if I say that is good score, which is you can target that 100%. And minded friend, that is in CAT, there is no pass or fail. It is the level of the, if I say that is colleges that you are going to get admission into. So अगर मुझे 95 plus percentile मिलता है, तो ये set of colleges में admission ले सकता हूँ 90 से 95 में, ठीक है, उसके नीचे आ जाएगा 85 to 90 में. So pass और fail नहीं है इस examination में. Best part, range of colleges है. जितना better score उतना better college, और जितना better college obviously उतना better placement. And by placement I simply means money. So this is the ideal time. And this is what we call it as LPT approach, where, and in this manner only we guide students, learn, practice and test. ठीक है, और यही चीज अगर हम लोग बात करें, that is we have given students. So हम लोग जब students को train करते हैं, so we give them, if I say that is concept classes through Catapult courseware, which is the name of our material. Learn, practice में they have around 3,300 plus questions. Exactly 3,334 questions. And then for practicing, they have a practice module in which, again, all these things they are online. This is online, ये online है, ठीक है, और ये वाला part भी अगर हम लोग बात करें online है. 2,000 plus questions, past year CAT, and then maximizer workshops, ठीक है. Then we have test taking. For that we have 15 proctored SimCATs. Proctored, जैसे इस साल का CAT 20 के लिए we are starting the test series from this 24th of April. So proctored are the tests which we, if I say that is, we conduct at the centers, and 25 tests you get additional tests which are take home tests, and along with that you also get 60 admit and 30 online. Admit ka matlab hai other management, so I'm writing Narsi Munji, so Narsi Munji ke liye. So this is the approach which we follow to train students, and I believe that is this approach is tested and proven also. So we have been getting results. So last year we get in 2019 we get a 100 percentile, 2017 maybe we had a 100 percentile. Okay, so this is, and not only 100 percentile, results are also huge number of results. So this is the approach through which we train students. So guys, before coming on to the next part, now I'll open up for question and answer. So if you guys have any questions and answers to ask me, okay, so you can ask me. I'm open to, if I say that is questions, and I'll be taking questions through, if I say that is this chat box. So if you have questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, if I get time period after that, so I'll share, if I say that is what all things are expected from you guys from this time period. Abhi aap logon se kya kya cheeze expected hai. So I'm open to questions. You can ask those questions in the chat box. Any queries? So Mansi asked that is there any scope to join MBA without any aptitude test? Mansi, problem kya hai, that is India, we are in India, and India, it has a huge population. And huge population, everyone wants to get admission into the best college, because maine kya bola, there are 3,500 plus colleges. We have colleges in Surat also, we have colleges in Gujarat also, in every part of the country. Okay, so does it make any sense to join a MBA exam, MBA institute which will not give you placement? Because the final, if I say that is reason for joining a particular institute is I will be getting placed, and until and unless I'm not getting placement, will it make any sense? So the problem is we have a limited number of institutes which provides us placement, and every student wants to get into that admission. I'll give you a simple example. So if I talk about the top seven MBA, top 7 IIMs, top 7 IIMs, there are around 2,500 plus seats. And the number of CAT applicants in 2019, it was 2,40,000, and usme se 2,09,000 ke aspas students they have taken, they have written CAT 2019 ke. And kitne seats? 2,500 plus. So institute also, they want to select the best, and for that they conduct this aptitude test. So getting admission into a B school without writing a aptitude test, yes, it is possible, लेकिन फिर वही institute होगा जिसमें कोई admission नहीं लेना चाहता, जहाँ पे seats they are open to all. So does not make any sense. Does not make any sense. So I hope that is your question is clear. So next is Prajakta asked that is, can I pursue MBA with company secretary? Yes, you can prepare. Yes, you can prepare, but simply if I say that is कि आपको अपना schedule manage करना पड़ेगा, because taking 2 things at one time, yes, जो लोग करते हैं. I'll give you an example. 2018 में we had a student Rahul Dalal. He went to IIM Ahmedabad. He was doing his engineering from NIT. Okay, along with that he also he completed his CA. उसने CA भी complete करा, उसके साथ में CFA level 1 भी उसने clear करा, and he was going to appear in CFA level 2. ठीक है, so उसने ये सारी चीजें करी. So if a person can do all these things, I believe that is कि सब लोग कर सकते हैं. बस उसके लिए आपके दिमाग में वो conviction होना चाहिए and right kind of strategy होनी चाहिए. तो yes, you can pursue MBA with company secretaries. ठीक है. Then one of the students asked that is online exams are difficult. No, online exams, they are not difficult. पहली चीज तो you have got no other options. All the examinations, they are online right now. ठीक है. Not even a single examination is offline. ठीक है. IFT भी last year तक अगर हम लोग बात करें 2018 में it was offline. Was the only examination जो paper pencil पे conduct होता था. This year they have shifted to the online version only. So all the examinations, they are online. So you don't have any option. The only difference which it makes is that is कि जो पेपर पहले अगर हम लोग बात करें, that is you used to have on papers, now you have on screen. So I don't believe that is after writing 2, 3 or 4, if I say that is mocks online, you will become comfortable. So no, they are not difficult. ऑनलाइन पेपर्स को हैंडल करना इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है. Lina asks, is BBA marks and BBA college do impact on your MBA college? So Lina, we have two set of category of colleges. So I was coming on to that part only. Profile, it also matters a lot when we talk about MBA colleges, but not for all the MBA colleges. So if I talk about IIM Ahmedabad, I'll show you this PPT. Okay. So see, so IIM Ahmedabad, they have a 10% weightage to your 10th marks, 10% weightage to your 12th marks, graduation marks 10% and CAT score. अभी इसमें थोड़ा सा change आया. ठीक है. This 70% they have segregated into two parts. Now this is not 70%. This is only, if I say that is 65%. So where does that 5% goes? That 5% goes to your work experience. So 5% आपका work experience पे वो लोग focus करते हैं. And similarly for other examinations. So, but the thing is that is not all the institutes they are focusing on. If I say that is, so if I talk about IFT purely on the basis of your score, Narsi Munji on the basis of your score, FMS on the basis of your score. So these, so we have two category of institutes. कुछ focus करते हैं, कुछ focus नहीं करते हैं. So अब 10th के 12th के grades मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. Graduation में भी it depends कि आप first year में हो, second year में हो या फिर third year में हो, कितने semester के examinations आपके हाथ में हैं. और अगर आप सेकेंड ईयर में हो तो फिर अगर हम लोग बात करें आपके पास में 3 या 4 सेमेस्टर्स और बचते हैं जहां पर यू कैन इम्प्रूव. ठीक है. थर्ड ईयर में हो तो यू ओनली हैव 2 सेमेस्टर्स, और वो भी कैट से पहले अगर हम लोग बात करें अगस्त तक कैट के फॉर्म्स निकल जाते हैं. सो आई बिलीव दैट इज कि जो चीजें मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, आई शुड नॉट वरी अबाउट ऑल दोस थिंग्स. आई शुड बी फोकसिंग ऑन, इफ आई से, बिकॉज होता क्या है, मैंने बोला दैट इज कि अगर मैं क्रीमी लेयर की बात करता हूँ, A++ की बात करता हूँ, सो आई कैन नॉट गेट इनटू दीस कॉलेजेस. क्रीमी लेयर, द टॉप कॉलेजेस ऑफ द कंट्री. A++ में मैंने एडमिशन लिया एंड देयर आई वर्कड हार्ड, एंड इफ आई वर्कड हार्ड, डिग्री के साथ में वर्किंग हार्ड, आपका पोटेंशियल भी बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस होता है. सो आई कैन आल्सो रीच टू दैट लेवल. मैं उसी लेवल पे पहुंच सकता हूं. सो यस, मार्क्स मैटर्स फॉर सम कॉलेजेस एंड फॉर सम कॉलेजेस इट डज नॉट मैटर. Suman asked, that is after doing MBA, if we will not get the good job, then Suman, if you'll get into a good college, you will get a good job. Abhi bhi, if I say that is, if you go through the, if I say that is placement reports of the top colleges, okay, in India, so you'll find that is the, simply if I say that is this placements they have improved. Placements improve ही हुए हैं. Placements improve ही हुए हैं. So you don't worry about that कि मतलब मेरे को अगर नहीं मिलेगा placement. So this is not the right thing. अच्छे कॉलेज में जाओगे तो मिलेगा. It depends that is which college you are joining. ठीक है. Ishika asks, is there any entrance examination which can given in second year? Ishika, this is a master's degree. MBA, it's a master's degree, and you will only be eligible if you have completed your graduation. So when you will be in your final year only, then only you can write a particular examination. So second year में नहीं. Yes, if you are targeting MBA abroad, so there you can write GMAT जिसका validity होता है. So India के लिए नहीं है ऐसा कुछ examination. Dhwani asked that is there any scope of doing MBA with hotel management? MBA with hotel management, I personally believe that is instead of going for a particular, if I say that is niche courses में, hospitality management के लिए भी we have courses available. So yes, you can go for that. It has a good scope, but right kind of college. Ayush, I don't have good academic scores, and I'm not even expecting a good score in graduation. Is there any chance to get into a good B schools? I hope, Ayush, the last question which I asked, there are two category of institutes, so your question, it is being answered there. Vaibhavi, I'm in my third year BCom and I just dropped my CS and I don't have any performance and all for my good CV. So the question is to give the CAT exam in 2020 to Vaibhavi. It totally depends on your preparation level. I said that is profile, it matters for some. आप लोगों से बार-बार मैं गाइस ये चीज कह रहा हूँ, मैं अपने जो स्टूडेंट्स who are already, if I say that is preparing with us, I always suggest them, there are two category of students. ठीक है, there are two category of students, one who have a command over aptitude and the second who don't have a command over aptitude. So those who have a command over aptitude, they should focus on profile building. But if I don't have a command over aptitude, I should not be focusing on profile building. So profile building, because you will be able to get a call only when you get a score. जब तक score नहीं आएगा तब तक कॉलेज आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए नहीं बुलाएगा। तो पहला क्राइटेरिया तो एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट ही है, सो फोकस ऑन एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट। हाँ, मैं उन कॉलेजेस को सेग्रीगेट कर सकता हूँ जो मेरी एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया में नहीं आते, बट देन अगेन वी हैव अ गुड सेट ऑफ कॉलेजेस जहाँ पे आई कैन गेट एडमिशन एंड आई कैन रीच टू दैट लेवल। ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट वन which is Surat best colleges. ठीक है, this we can discuss it later on. Leena, I've answered. Vaibhavi, what's your fees and when your online courses? Vaibhavi, online courses are continuing. I'm sharing जो last page है मेरी PPT का, उसमें मेरे सारे details दे रखे हैं, phone numbers mentioned है, ठीक है, email address mentioned है, so you can guys you can note the phone number and email address. So if you have any queries related to our online lectures, they are being continuing, so you can ask those queries at these numbers. So Kinjal, I'm interested in the counseling course. Any particular college? Consulting. Kinjal, consulting, it's not a course. मैंने marketing में अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ specialization किया है, so then also I can join a company as a consultant. I've done my specialization in finance, then also I can join a particular FIC, that is company, as a consultant. So consultant is, it's consultancy, it's not a specialization. Okay, so I can be from any field and I can give you a I can consult, you can consult me. So I'm not an FIC, that is MBA, but then again what I'm doing you or what we are doing over here, we are consulting. ठीक है, आप अपने MBA के queries का मुझसे consultancy ले रहे हो, ठीक है। Is any college for masters in entrepreneurs? Leena asked this question. So Leena, I always prefer, especially over here in Surat, majority of the students, they ask this question. So yes, there are institutes which have entrepreneurship program, but I do not prefer these colleges because entrepreneurship program mein students, SPJ, they have their entrepreneurship program. Symbiosis, they have, Narsi Monji, they have, but I do not prefer these colleges. Why I do not prefer these colleges? Because first thing, when the students, they have this thing in their mind, that is they don't have to sit for placements. Entrepreneur का मतलब है कि मुझे पहले से फिक्स है कि 2 साल के बाद में मुझे अपना खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, एंड खुद का अगर बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, सो सिंपली अगर हम लोग बात करें, दैट इज आई विल नॉट बी वर्किंग फॉर प्लेसमेंट, एंड जब मेरे दिमाग से ये प्रेशर हट जाएगा, सो वैसे ही मेरा परफॉर्मेंस क्या हो जाएगा, डाउन हो जाएगा, और मेरा अगर हम लोग बिहेवियर भी उसी तरीके का रहेगा. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग, एक्सेप्शंस आर देयर, बट देन अगेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. So I don't believe that is joining an entrepreneurship program. Instead, I would suggest go for a normal, if I say that is MBA, take a work experience of 2 or 3 years, and then start your own business. This will be the best way. Still, there are, if I say that is 20 odd questions to be answered. Abhilasha ma'am, there are so many questions which the students they are asking. So I believe that is we are, ma'am, you have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Ma'am, there are so many questions. So I don't have any problem.
Yeah, you may carry on, sir. Okay. Just to tell them, those who have completed, they can fill this feedback form.
Yes.
Without
so
that, they should not leave.
Okay. So students, you can also, if I say that is in that feedback form, you have a column that is where if you have any further queries, so you can ask it over there. So meanwhile, I'll try to answer those questions which you are asking here. So Leena, I answered your question. Tata, I didn't get your question. Can be MBA in private? So please elaborate what you want to ask. Kusum, is there any reputed colleges in Surat for MBA? And Sheikh Yusara asked, sir, MBA in foreign required GMAT with experience, but if one don't have. So Sheikh Yusara, that is when we talk about GMAT, so we have 2 kinds of programs over there. We have MIM and we have MBA. So MBA outside India, it's a 1-year program which requires work experience, but there are universities which provides MIM, Master in Management, which is same as, it's a 2 years program. So if you want to get admissions into MIM program, there is no need of work experience. Work experience का कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है वहाँ पर. So yes, for MBA, because it's a 1 year. I'll give you, India maybe we have executive MBAs. Executive MBA, it's a 1 year program. And what is the basic sense of giving a 1 year MBA program to students? This is only for those students who have at least 2 years of work experience. यार मैंने बताया कि first year में they are going to teach you about each and everything. And if they're going to teach you about each and everything, so they'll be telling you the basics. So when I already have a work experience of 1 or 2 years or more, so मेरे को वो basics पहले से मालूम है. So I know that is I have that clarity कि this is the specialization that I'm looking for. So there is no need of telling or teaching you all those things. And that is the reason we have only 1 year experience. Okay, 1 year MBA program for those who are already, if I say that is working in an organization, or those who have an experience of around 2 years. So same foreign universities में भी MBA program 1 year का program है, जिसके लिए you'll require 2 years at least 2 years work experience. And if you're going for MIM, not required. ठीक है. Javed, if you have to do MBA from Surat only, Surat only. There is any college for masters? Lina, I already answered your question. Ayush, I answered your question. Vaibhavi, I didn't start any prep till now. Vaibhavi, I've given you that वो जो मैंने बताया था, that if I say that is that preparation plan was from this. ठीक है. बस होता क्या है, लॉन्ग टर्म में स्टूडेंट जितना लॉन्ग टर्म में स्टूडेंट्स प्रिपेयर करेगा उतना उसके पास में प्रैक्टिस के लिए टाइम पीरियड रहेगा. बट स्टिल इफ यू आर, if I say that is convinced that is yes, you definitely have to go for MBA. So late कभी भी नहीं होता है. You have to start. कभी ना कभी तो competition fight करना ही पड़ेगा. Ayush, quant phobia, will it good to target CAT? Ayush, minded that is there are institutes. Again, I'll say that there are two category of institutes. One, those who have a sectional cutoff, IIMs, they have sectional cutoff in each and every section. 3 sections जो मैंने बताया था, you have to perform in each and every section. But there are institutes which do not have any sectional cutoff. So if I talk about Symbiosis, Snap, they don't have any sectional cutoff. Your overall score, it matters. Okay, even if you get a 0 in the math section, okay, and if you clear that overall marks, so you will be getting a call from SIBM Pune, the best college of Symbiosis. बट यहाँ पर मैं हमेशा सजेस्ट करता हूँ दैट इज कि अगर मैं आपको एक चीज दिखाता हूँ, स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में देयर इज अ मिथ. मैं 2019 के कुछ फिगर्स आपको दिखाता हूँ. स्टूडेंट सोचता है कि अभी तक मेरा हमेशा मतलब मैं हमेशा 80% वाला स्टूडेंट रहा हूँ, तो मुझे आगे भी अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ दैट इज कैट में भी मुझे 80% ही लाना पड़ेगा. बट दिस इज अ मिथ. सो इफ यू विल सी हियर, कैट में अगर मुझे 80 percentile चाहिए, so how much marks do I need to score? 23. एक क्वेश्चन 3 marks का, इसका मतलब how many questions I need to answer correctly? 8 questions. 85 percentile के लिए मुझे, and these are the actual figures, ठीक है. 28 marks का मतलब है 7 questions. 90 के लिए 34, इसका मतलब around 11 questions. 99 के लिए 55 marks, so around 18-19 questions. And कितने questions है हमारे पास में? The total number of questions in the quant section is 34. So students, they have a wrong mindset that is वो सब कुछ appear करना चाहते हैं. And this is what I want to change the mentality of the student. If you'll go for selection, if you have that right kind of mindset, so getting 8 questions correct, getting these number of questions correct in an examination like CAT, it's not possible. यार आपके पास में 60 minutes and 60 minutes में to cross that 90 percentile. 90 percentile पे I'm saying that is majority of the colleges will be in your reach if you get 90 percentile in the quant section. And उसके लिए कितने? 11 questions out of 34. So it's not tough. So पहले try करो, practice करो, give your 100% efforts. उसके बाद में भी नहीं होता तो then we'll find the solution. उसके बाद में हम लोग solution निकालेंगे ना. लेकिन पहले से if I'll start with a mindset that is नहीं होगा, so I don't believe that this is a positive attitude. You need to have that positive attitude to start something. So this is what I personally, if I say that is, believe. Vaibhavi, digital marketing, I would suggest that is the best college in the country is MICA, Ahmedabad. They have, you have to write CAT or ZAT. Uske baad mein they have their own examination, which is MICAT, and then they have their second stage, which is group exercise and interview. Ayush asked, is it easy to get education loan to pay very high amount of? Yes, Ayush. मैं नहीं बोल रहा, that is visit the website of any or 2 or 3 nationalized bank and you'll find that is जैसे SBI का education loan, they bear each and every expense, your lodging and boarding के अलावा your travel also, कि holidays में when I was coming back to my if I that is house, ठीक है, मैं अपने घर होम टाउन आ रहा था तो उसका भी एक्सपेंसेस वो बेयर करेंगे. सो ईच एंड एवरी एक्सपेंस, ठीक है, एवरीथिंग विल बी बेयर्ड. ठीक है. व्हाट इज एमबीए विद एग्जीक्यूटिव? वैभवी, आई ऑलरेडी आंसर्ड. एग्जीक्यूटिव एमबीए इज फॉर दोस हु हैव एन वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, दे कैन गो फॉर एग्जीक्यूटिव एमबीए. Yes, yes, MBA cannot be done. Lata, you asked without joining college, MBA can be done. Yes, we have. If I say that is distance learning, लेकिन MBA theoretical और practical दोनों है. Distance learning उन्हीं के लिए preferred है. Those who are already working in an organization, they cannot leave that organization, but to reach the next level, they need to clear that stage. मतलब उनको MBA का degree चाहिए. So for that, for those students, distance learning is if I say that is preferred. Ishika, which extra professional courses certificates में Ishika, there are so many. Coursera पे, Simply Learn पे, you'll find so many if I say that is courses available. I always suggest, if you have that clarity that is yes, this is the specialization that I'm looking for, so on the basis of that specialization you should select those courses. काफी सारे courses हैं. Start with basics. Basics आना चाहिए. मुझे basics आता ही नहीं, मैं हायर डिग्री के कोर्स पे जा रहा हूँ, कोई सेंस नहीं बनता. So start with basics and then go for a specialization. So मेरा वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है मार्केटिंग में and I want to pursue finance as a specialization, नहीं, does not make any sense. So if I want to pursue finance as a specialization, so मेरे जो certification courses हैं वो finance से ही related होने चाहिए. Then only it will make a sense. Lata asks, can you tell about ZAT entrance examination? ZAT, Lata, it is, if I say that is, there are first section, it is, again, it's a entrance examination for many examinations which are, if I say that is, Xavier's के जितने भी institutes हैं उनके लिए, along with, if I say that is, other institutes in the country. So it has 3 sections. CAT से यहाँ पर different क्या आएगा sections के अलावा, ठीक है, इसमें एक section decision making और आ जाता है. So where they'll give you, if I say that is, certain conditions, ठीक है. So you can go through our website, so you'll find, if I say that is detailed. Ayush, depends which all choices you have. AMS, they are a brand in the country, so it matters a lot. So Mansi, okay, so majority of you are asking good colleges in Surat, So first thing, that is, if you want to take admission into colleges in Gujarat only, so they have their admissions on the basis of CMAT. CMAT is the examinations which you have to write if you are looking for admission into colleges based in Gujarat. And जब मैं गुजरात की बात कर रहा हूँ तो सूरत के colleges भी उसमें आ जाएंगे. So you have to write CMAT, and उसके बाद में they give admission on the basis of their counseling round, CAP round, common admission process, for which you have to get a minimum score. So I believe that is university is also giving this particular, if I say that is management, and जो हमारा university का जो management program है, I believe that will be the best in the city. सूरत में अगर करना है, so I would prefer BNHU का जो management program है, that can be preferred. There are other colleges also, ठीक है, which gives, so which can be answered personally. But CMAT is an examination which you have to write, and उसमें score आएगा. So counseling के basis पे you will be allotted colleges. So ma'am, I've handled majority of the queries. So this is from my side. I give my, if I say that is, center details again to the students. So if they want to have any further doubts, so they can contact at this number.
Yes, yes. You just email them.
Yes.
Your details.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so now we can wind up the session.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So guys, this is from my side. Again, very glad to have such a huge crowd in this lockdown. And minded that is this lockdown. एक और चीज, girls, मतलब now MBA colleges, they are giving you, if I say that is, preferences, because now it's a rule of the corporate world that is in your management committee. They also need to have share of, if I say that is, girls. And वहाँ पर, just to make girls capable enough, that is, they are giving, if I say that is, opportunities to girls. So you have that, if I say that is, opportunities. So girls, they get a gender diversity, उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं. So you get an additional, if I say that is, benefit. And again, I would suggest that is this is not the only session which we are conducting. There are so many sessions which we are conducting across different platforms for students, and majority of these sessions, they are free of cost, which you can attend, which you all can attend. And for that, I would suggest that is you can visit our Facebook page. आप हमारा Facebook page visit कर सकते हैं. You can like it so that you will get all the updates. So हम लोग जो demo sessions, online lectures कैसे conduct होंगे, so everything they are being every information it is being passed on at this Facebook page. So you all can, if I say that is like this page, so that you'll get this and opportunity to attend all those sessions. So like I'll give you one, if I say that is upcoming event. So we are coming with a, if I say that is event which is all about B schools, and in that event we are calling 50 speakers. 50 speakers. These speakers will be our ex-students, those who have passed out from our center, जो हमारे center से passed out हो चुके हैं, who have joined, if I say that is good B schools, or who are working in a corporate. So we are calling them, and these speakers, they will be providing, if I say that is sessions 50 अलग अलग B schools के बारे में. So this is upcoming event. So ऐसे बहुत सारे events हम लोग कर रहे हैं. So to have the information about all these events, you can visit our Facebook page, you can like it, so that you'll get all the, if I say that is updates. So this is from my side, guys. Thanks a lot to be a patient, if I say that is listener, okay, and asking so many doubts. And if you further have any doubts, so you can contact at this number. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, ma'am, for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you very much, sir, for conducting such a wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll be ending this meeting, right?
Yeah, please.
Okay.